Hi everyone. Have you ever felt like your body could use a little extra strength and endurance? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing a simple and effective 7-day program that can help you boost your muscle strength and stamina. The best part? It's easy to follow, and anyone can do it, no matter your fitness level. Just stick with me for the next few minutes, and you'll have everything you need to get started. First, let's talk about why strength and endurance are so important. It's not just about looking fit or lifting heavier weights at the gym. Building strength helps you feel more energetic in your daily life, prevents fatigue, and even improves your performance in activities like running, sports, or simply lifting groceries. Plus, it's great for your overall health and well-being. So, let's dive into the plan. For days 1 and 2, we're focusing on building a solid foundation. Start with simple exercises like squats, push-ups, and planks. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps for each movement. Remember, it's not about how many reps you do, but how well you perform them. Good form is key to seeing results and avoiding injury. Make sure to fuel your body with plenty of protein during these days. Think eggs, chicken, or lentils. On day 3, it's time for active recovery. This means giving your body a break from intense workouts, but staying lightly active. Take a walk, do some yoga, or just stretch. This helps your muscles recover while keeping your body moving. Don't forget to stay hydrated and include antioxidant-rich foods like berries or leafy greens in your diet. Now on to days 4 and 5, where we'll turn up the intensity. Add some resistance exercises to your routine like deadlifts or rows, using light weights or even heavy household items like water bottles. Aim for about 30 minutes of training during these sessions. And as always, don't skip your post-workout stretches. They'll help reduce soreness and keep you flexible. For day 6, we're focusing on cardio. Activities like running, cycling, or jumping jacks are great options to improve your endurance. Even a quick 20-minute session can make a big difference. Combining cardio with resistance training gives you the best of both worlds, strength and stamina. Finally, we reach day 7, your day for full recovery. Rest is just as important as exercise when it comes to building strength. Use this day to relax, get quality sleep, and maybe even give yourself a light massage to ease any tension in your muscles. Eat nutrient-packed foods like fish, nuts, or avocados to help your body recharge. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful 7-day program to help you feel stronger and more energized. If you stick to this plan, you'll start noticing results in just a week. Of course, this is just the beginning of your fitness journey. You can repeat the program or build on it to reach your bigger goals. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and fitness programs. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help. Take care, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.